10 toes, that's my MO.
Boy, we got a big load today. All right, y'all, we got it loaded, man. We had to turn it around backwards. I felt that was a little bit better. Get some more of that weight on the front of the trailer. Tires are doing okay. This trailer is about maxed out, man, legally. So 15,000 GVWR trailer, and the operating weight of this machine is 13,000. That bucket probably weighs, I don't have no idea what it weighs, but I'm sure it's heavy. The only thing that's worrying me is this front tire. You know, I normally run 14 ply tires. And I had that blowout a couple of weeks ago. Actually going to Alabama as well, I had a blowout. So this is, I want to say this is a 10 ply. It might be a 12. I have to look at it and see. But that's the only thing that worries me. You see, it looks like it's not holding the weight as well as the 14 plies. I got a spare in the back. Problem is, it's about the same. It might be the same exact brand. So we're gonna give it a shot, man. I think we'll make it. I got the load spread out pretty good over the axles in the back of the truck. So he's trading this thing to another fella. We're headed to Alabama to make the trade. So everything's good. Tires look good on this side. I just wish I had the 14 ply on the front over there. I ain't had time to get it switched out. I need to, but it is what it is. It's a part of being on the road. Or being busy, not on the road. Y'all know I'm a local cat, but sometimes I can't make it to damn to the tire shop to damn get stuff like that done. I'm gonna get out of here. It's about 5.5 hours to where we're going, Dothan, Alabama. Truck is clean. Trying not to get too much nasty stuff on it right now. Y'all know I love when the beast is clean. But yeah, we're gonna head down the road. Got everything strapped down, chains on the machine. So we're gonna hit the road, man. I'll check in with y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. 5.5 hours later, we down here. And here we go with another damn dirt road. So hopefully, let me go and cut my 4x4 on, because this can get a little nasty. I do not like coming through these damn dirt roads, man. I don't know how far it is back here. I didn't hear what he told him. I stayed in the truck. It is 3:55 Eastern time. So wasn't too bad of a ride, but I just hope we ain't gotta go back too far. And hopefully I can stay out of the mud. Trailer dirty, so I don't care about the trailer. But man, my truck clean. Shots out the Boomer. Day one mobile. Day one enterprises. Y'all know how it go. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling, man. See how far back we gotta go. I felt like I heard him say quarter mile. That's what I felt like. But we'll see. The red car in front of us is the owner of the one we got on the trailer. Do this swap and make about a 5-hour journey back to the house. Call it a day, man. It's not bad for a Friday. I'll tell you how the money shakes out later on, because it got a couple of things we got to go over. So once I figure all that out, I'll let y'all know what the money was looking like. But it's pretty good. I think it was damn good for a Friday, especially for a day trip down and back. So he's got a T390. That might be much lighter than this one I got. I have to see. All right, let's get out and unstrap it and unchain it and see how it goes. I think we made out pretty good, man. Tires still looking pretty clean. This is what they getting back in return. Bobcat T300. A quick Google search of this one. So it was about 9,400 pound operating weight. So that's much less. Gonna burn a lot less diesel. I'm currently at, well, I'm on a quarter tank. I put 92 in. I started full, got down to Macon, put 92 in it, and now I'm about to leave here and go put more in it. So I would assume the whole trip is going to be less than 300 in diesel, but I'm glad that thing is, that's all they bring them back to, just that bucket and that, not all these extra attachments like we got up here. So I guess they might be waiting on me. We'll cut my truck off and unchain and unstrap. Look at that too. 10.5, man, that ain't bad. With about 14,000 pounds on the trailer. And the trailer weigh about 4,000. So, yeah, I didn't get the tires too dirty. Be still looking good. But yeah, we had this machine with a claw in front of it and forks in this bucket. So, it's about 14,000 pounds right here. Man, I just love that damn dually right there. Goodness gracious. Alright, let's see if we get this thing off here in a second. This is like a 2022. 2021 or 2022. Damn near brand new. He said he's had it, he hasn't even had it a year. And he's trading it for that other one and a substantial stack of cash. Basically, he wanted to get out from under the note since he doesn't use it as much as he thought he would, or as much as he used to. I can't remember what he said, but yeah. So he'll have no note, and he'll get the T300 back in exchange for this one and a nice chunk of change. They ain't planning on being out here all day. I hope they hurry up. There we go. And I hit my hand already, man. Taking that one of them ratchet straps off. And it's cold out here too. It's colder here than it was when we left the house. We are in Grand Ridge, Florida. And it's colder than it was at the house in Georgia. Middle Georgia. Northern Georgia, I guess is what they call that. I guess we're gonna play around with it for a little bit. And we'll get that off. Load that one and we'll be up out of here. Yeah, look at this 3x zoom. So on this Samsung S22 Ultra, I said the 3x zoom is similar to what your human eyes see. So that was kind of far away, but then it kind of zooms in. I'm standing about 20 feet from this one, and it looks like I'm right up on it. But it's super clear though. That was quiet. That's like a quiet right there. Wow. Bentley would love this, man. Man, that makes me happy that sucker weighs so much less. Cause that sucker right there was about maxed out, man. You hit a bump in the road and it'll bounce. Take a little while to stop bouncing. So I need more truck. I can't wait to retire the beast from daily activities so I can put my wheels back on, man. Y'all know how it go. Hopefully soon, man. I got a plan. Oh, we're gonna let these people play around with these, and then I guess when it's time to load it back up, we'll cut the camera back on. Alright, I guess they're going through with the deal. He's gonna pick up this bucket thing. They did some negotiating. Took a while too. Oh yeah. They're gonna pick it up. Should be good. Ah, there you go. Loaded on backwards just like we had it. $3.53. Been here about an hour. That sucks because I wasn't trying to get home at no 10, 11 at night. It is what it is, though. I hope my homies still be on Call of Duty, though, man. Hey, we be on it every night. There you go. Yeah, I got a lot shorter wheelbase. It ain't as wide either. Back up. What do you think? Come forward just a hair. I like it. Come forward a little bit more. What do you think? I like that. Look good on your side? Yeah, that evened it out. I can see it go from one tire to the other tire.
Yeah. It's growing on me. It's growing on me.
Yeah, it transferred from that back tire to that front tire a little bit better right there. All right, we got it strapped down. I would have strapped it a little bit different, but it ain't no big deal. It'll work. It'll make it. It's a lot lighter. It's actually less than, this operating weight is less than 10,000 pounds, so it doesn't have as stringent of, you know, legalities of strapping it a certain way. So that's why I ain't worried about it. Just went along with whatever they had, but it's tight. It ain't going nowhere, so I'm good with it. About to type in my address. A little over 5 hours away. Ready to get home and see the fam. Even though it's gonna be late, but it's a Friday, so I know they still be up. Man, that's a good looking truck right there, man. Ooh-wee. I'm glad this thing is a lot lighter. He said that that previous load was, like I said, about 13,000 for that, and then buckets were probably another couple thousand pounds at least. So you're talking 15, 16,000 compared to 9,400, possibly. Let's round up to 10,000. So we're looking at a 5,000 pound difference, give or take a little bit. So that's not too bad. So I'll get ready to rock and roll and head on back. All right, man. Getting some diesel right now. This pump is taking forever. Turn this around. I've been here easily 15 minutes. I've been here so long. It's a Dairy Queen right on the other side of this, and I went ahead and ordered, and it was like a 14-minute wait, and the time still ain't came yet. So this pump is super. Just look at it.
After exposure to a stressor, it really is an easy way to boost your mood and release emotions.
I didn't feel like damn fueling up again somewhere else. I ain't with all that, so I just said I'll let it do its thing. I ordered the Dairy Queen. I'll run over there and grab it. It'll be ready by the time this thing finally gets done, and I'll eat that on the way home, and should be pulling up about 11 o'clock. But that's pretty sucky right there.
Here's what we're looking forward to.
Dang. Oh shit, look. Didn't cut off. Look at that shit there. Glad I walked back over here. Holy cow.
A physical fight with his brother Freddie Williams. Family division over his decision to marry Meghan Markle.
Woo! That's horrible. Damn, the side of my truck was pretty clean. That's gonna leave a stain. I'll be damn. Then they don't print my damn receipt out. Lord have mercy. Anyway, I'll catch up with y'all later. All right, y'all, I'm back getting some diesel. We are at Buc-ee's. Y'all already know, anytime I'm going to South Georgia, I-75, this is where you're gonna find the cheapest diesel and gas, I guess. But 409 is decent, so we filling up. Had to get me some more of these. I actually stopped by here earlier. I just didn't shoot no footage. On the way down, I stopped by. Man, these mugs so good, man. Let me show you. Ooh, off the chain. I think we can squeeze some more in there. We ain't trying to stop again. Anyway, what was I gonna say? We are like 2:15 from the house. Not bad. Filling up the tank. This will take us all the way in. You won't see any more from me until I probably deliver this thing on Sunday. Like I said, today's Friday. Should be delivering that Sunday. I did the math. I know how much it's gonna pay, but it's cold as hell out here, and I'm gonna get in the truck and get ready to leave, and we'll go over the payment later, tell y'all what we made. I think it was well worth it, and gained a new customer, made a good relationship. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Like I said, a couple days my time, but for y'all it'll be a snap. And just like that, we are back.
Yep.
Benzo Cole. Got Bray with us. I got out the house. Good to get you out the house, boy. Oh, we should have put a wheel chalk down. Just like that, the job is done. Lift that side up, bro. Do we gotta get one, Ben?
Yeah.
We gotta get a whole skid steer.
Yeah, we need one.
Yeah. That's about the size. That's good for some home use right there, ain't it?
Yeah, I'll still build some barns with it.
Yeah.
It's good for all them hoes.
Yes, sir. Let me get my stuff cleaned up, man. We'll cut y'all back on. All right, y'all. That's it. We got it unloaded. Got the trailer cleaned up. My new customer is happy with the service. Everything turned out great. So this ended up paying $13.65 when it was all said and done. I put some diesel in his Bobcat. He covered that cost, and aside from that, it was $13.65 for a little day trip. So that's not bad. I put $275 in diesel, so it was almost $1,100 profit. Is that right? $13.65 minus 2 is 11.65. Yeah, right around there. Numbers. I might put the numbers on the screen, the exact numbers. I'm just doing it off my head right now. But it worked out, man. We got it done, and like I said, gained a new customer, gained a new relationship, man. Everything worked out. Aside from all the address changes and whatnot, man, it worked out perfect. We're gonna go back home, watch some Sunday NFL playoffs, and call it a day, man. So y'all like, share, subscribe. We'll check in with y'all later. Peace. go.
Alright, no problem with that.
Where you want to put it at? You good? Pull it right here. That's good. Put the bucket down. Do you have to hit the green button again or no? He said, you good. Come on.
That was fun.
That was fun. Tell him thank you.
Thank you.
Good job.
Appreciate it, brother. We out of here, man.